Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you're all doing well today. If you've ever wondered how technology is shaping our world, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and crucial topic: AI ethics in law enforcement. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, it's making its way into various sectors, including law enforcement. But with great power comes great responsibility, right? So, what does it mean to use AI ethically in policing? Let's explore it together. Now, you might be asking yourself, how can something as advanced and seemingly objective as AI raise ethical concerns in law enforcement? That's a great question, and it leads us to the heart of our discussion today. First, let's define what we mean by AI in law enforcement. AI technologies, such as machine learning algorithms and facial recognition systems, are increasingly being used to analyze data, predict crime, and even assist in investigations. For example, cities like Los Angeles have implemented predictive policing tools that analyze past crime data to identify potential hotspots where crimes are likely to occur. But as we harness this powerful technology, several ethical concerns arise. One of the most significant concerns is the potential for bias. If the data used to train AI systems reflects historical biases, such as racial profiling or socio-economic disparities, the algorithms may perpetuate and even exacerbate these issues. For instance, a study from the University of California, Berkeley, found that facial recognition software had a higher error rate for individuals with darker skin tones compared to those with lighter skin tones. This could lead to disproportionate surveillance and targeting of specific communities, raising serious ethical questions about fairness and justice. Another ethical issue is privacy. The use of AI in law enforcement often involves the collection and analysis of vast amounts of data, including personal information from social media, public records, and surveillance footage. This surveillance can infringe on individuals' rights to privacy. A notable example is the use of facial recognition technology by police departments, which has sparked debates about the extent to which citizens are monitored without their consent. Studies show that over 70% of Americans express concern about government surveillance, indicating that privacy is a significant ethical consideration. Then, there's the question of accountability. Who is responsible when an AI system makes a mistake? If a predictive policing algorithm wrongly identifies someone as a potential criminal, who bears the consequences? Is it the police department that deployed the technology, the developers of the software, or the city that funded it? The lack of transparency in how these systems operate makes it challenging to hold anyone accountable. According to a report by the AI Now Institute, many algorithms used in law enforcement are black boxes, meaning their decision-making processes are not easily understood or scrutinized. Finally, AI ethics in law enforcement directly impacts public trust. If communities feel that AI technologies are being used unfairly or intrusively, they may lose trust in law enforcement agencies. A 2020 survey by the Pew Research Center found that only 50% of Americans trust the police, and concerns about AI and its ethical implications could further erode this trust. To illustrate these points, let's look at a few real-world examples. In 2018, the Chicago Police Department faced backlash over its use of a predictive policing tool known as the Strategic Subject List. Critics argued that the algorithm disproportionately targeted Black and Latino individuals based on historical crime data. This led to accusations of systemic racism within the police department, raising alarms about the ethical implications of using biased data in law enforcement. Another example comes from the UK, where the use of facial recognition technology has been met with public protests. Activists argue that the technology is invasive and can lead to wrongful arrests. A study by the Biometrics and Surveillance Camera Commissioner found that 81% of the public disagreed with the use of facial recognition by law enforcement, highlighting the ethical dilemma faced by authorities trying to balance safety and individual rights. So, what can be done to address these ethical concerns? First and foremost, it's essential that law enforcement agencies implement rigorous testing and oversight of AI technologies to ensure they are fair and unbiased. Transparency in how these systems work, along with community engagement and feedback, can also help build trust. In summary, while AI holds incredible potential for transforming law enforcement, it's crucial that we navigate the ethical landscape carefully. By addressing issues of bias, privacy, accountability, and public trust, we can harness the power of AI while protecting the rights and dignity of all individuals. Thanks for joining me today as we explored AI ethics in law enforcement. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. What are your views on the use of AI in policing? Don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Until next time, stay curious.